First topic, company creation. If previously you have not created any company, then you will be directly redirected to Company Info tab. Go to Create Company option. Type details such as company name, address, phone number, email ID, financial year, book beginning from, currency, etc. Now press Enter, then for yes click Y. So now you own a company. Now you have few options on your screen. We will learn about them in details in upcoming videos. Second topic, select company. Press Alt plus F3 to go to Company Info. Go to Select Company or press S. Now you will have list of companies in front of you. Select according to your choice. Third topic, Shut Company. Press Alt plus F3 to go to Company Info. Go to Shut Company. Select company name from list. Done. Fourth topic, Alter Company. Press Alt plus F3. Go to Alter option. Select company from list. Make changes you want. Save changes. Fifth topic, Delete Company. Press Alt plus F3. Go to Alter option. Select company from list. Press Alt plus D. Then press Y for yes or enter.